Bye, two, take one.
Action. Cut it, okay.
दोस्तों, इंडिया के फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग फिल्म रिव्यू शो दम है या डम है में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं आशीष और आज बात करेंगे वॉल्ट डिज्नी की फिल्म एनीबडी कैन डांस 2 की।
बेजुबां कब से मैं रहा।
Anybody Can Dance 2 is what some say the true story of a fictitious dance academy from a Mumbai suburb that goes on to participate and win hearts at an international hip-hop dance competition in Las Vegas. The film traces the journey of this Indian dance group comprising an assortment of boys and girls from the back streets of Mumbai, their rise and fall from fame, and then their valiant attempt at seeking redemption. ABCD 2 is also about the underlying emotion of life that it gives you a second chance. ABCD 2 is a sequel to ABCD that was released in 2013. ABCD 2 is a galaxy of entertainment with brilliant dancing stars.
एक नया टीम शुरू करने वाले इंटरनेशनल हिप हॉप चैंपियनशिप के लिए।
डी मतलब धर्मेश सर, ये विनोद सर, मैंने बोला था ना मैं और एक डांसर लाऊंगा। ये बॉस गूंगा बहरा है सर, इसका स्पीकर और माइक दोनों उड़ेल है।
एनीबडी कैन डांस। गलतियां सबसे होती हैं, बट लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट सेकंड चांस।
Anybody Can Dance 2 has Prabhudeva and Varun Dhawan playing the central characters of Vishnu Sir and Suresh, along with a string of characters including Shraddha Kapoor, who plays the role of Winnie. ABCD 2 deals with the emotion of betrayals and breakups and eventually the reuniting of Prabhudeva and Varun Dhawan. The personal journeys of the characters takes them to an international dance championship in Las Vegas. The two central characters of Prabhudeva and Varun Dhawan are dealing with the demons of the past that provides an extraordinary emotional background to the entire film. ABCD 2 is a brave new genre that has been made aesthetically. ABCD 2 being a 3D film is a visual feast.
अरे एक आदमी के चले जाने से पूरा ग्रुप नहीं टूटता है। We dance to express, not to impress. मेरे डांस का हर एक स्टेप अब पूरा करेगा मेरी माँ का सपना।
Varun Dhawan and Prabhudeva have lived their characters on the screen. Both look very real and engaging. In a manner of speaking, Anybody Can Dance 2 is a very simple film. Prabhudeva and Varun Dhawan bring in the dance. Shraddha Kapoor and Lauren bring in the usual romance against the sinful, lusty Vegas nights.
Guys, get ready for Vegas. You like Indian food?
I love Indian food. She likes Indian food.
तेरे को पता है ना कि मैं तुझसे
Remo D'Souza is the new god of dance and his direction in ABCD 2 is also to the point. However, I have a few concerns about ABCD 2. Firstly, India is not good at producing niche films, especially in the area of performing arts. Yes, we've produced some films like Disco Dancer, Dance Dance, Ilzam, which catapulted actors like Govinda and Mithun Chakravarti. However, that happened in the dark ages. In comparison to A Saturday Night Fever, Street Dance, Grease, Step Up, Dirty Dancing, ABCD 2 gets served. It is so disappointing to see a dance film with so many cuts, intercuts, special effects. I really wonder why is it that Bollywood cannot make a film even better than V. Shantaram's Navrang, which happened way back in 1959. In the end, ABCD 2 is just a visual extravaganza without the soul of a dance film.
ये डांसर भी है क्या?
डांसरों का बाप है ये बाप।
सुरु पहली बार किसी और की तारीफ कर रहा है, ये तो कमाल ही हो गया।
कमाल तो तब होगा जब स्टेप्स उनके होंगे और पाओ हम। सर चलो ना सर, प्लीज शट अप सर, प्लीज सर, सर लुक एट माय फेस।
The music of Anybody Can Dance 2 is reasonably popular and foot tapping. Songs like Chunar and the birthday song are already up on the popularity charts. However, as a complete package, it is not what I would call setting the dance floor on fire.
उड़ा गुलाल माही तेरी चुनरिया लहराए
So in the end, anybody can dance too. फिल्म के कॉन्सेप्ट में दम है, फिल्म के म्यूजिक में भी रीजनेबली दम है, फिल्म का टेक्निकल डायरेक्शन टोटली डम है. I feel the film could have been done much better without the popular star faces of Varun Dhawan and Shraddha Kapoor. In fact, ABCD 1 was a far more soulful film than ABCD 2, which did not have the kind of extravagance that ABCD 2 has. हमारी रेटिंग ABCD 2 के लिए 2.5 out of 5.
Our culture is about dance. When there is marriage, we dance. When the baby come, we dance. We love dance. Ganpati Bappa!
Once again, thank you very much for making Dum Hai ya Dum Hai India's fastest growing film review show. Please share your movie experiences with me on my Twitter handle Ashish Kaul.